Hello guys, this is Bogdan from Stater, and today I want to show you a brief overview of the main functionalities of our lending platform for NFT assets that we will be launching in the first version in December this year. At Stater, we are building an open source peer-to-peer lending platform that will help users unlock the value of their NFT assets without losing ownership. And we are also bringing to the market a new way of generating returns for lenders for providing liquidity on our platform. The NFT market has seen incredible growth, especially this year, and it has surpassed over $100 million in lifetime sales since its inception. So our goal here at Stater is to bring DeFi into the NFT market and provide a seamless lending experience for borrowers and lenders alike. And we also believe that this is just the beginning because there is huge potential for growth in markets like gaming and art, which are the markets that represent most of the value that is generated today. So if we take a look at the product, we can see that there are three main sections. So there is the lend section, borrow, and loan book. And today I want to briefly discuss with you about all of them and to present you the main functionalities that we will be launching in the first version of our product. So at the borrow section, the user will basically see all the assets that he currently has in his wallet. He is also able to filter them by collections. And he can also view each specific asset on OpenSea. So in this case, if we look at Neon Ninja, we can see that there is no trading history, but there is a price associated with this asset. So as a borrower, I can use this number if I want to create a borrow package and take a loan. So in order to create a borrow package, I will have to add some assets as collateral. So I can create a borrow package with an individual asset, or I can create a borrow package with multiple assets that will be used as collateral. So let's say that I want to create a bundle with multiple assets. The next step is to create a package. Here I can see that I have 4 assets selected, and on the right side I will have the actual bundle value, loan duration, and loan to value ratio with borrow amount. So in the first version of our product, the actual valuation will be manually done by borrowers, but we are currently working on ways in which we could automate this process as much as possible, especially for assets that have higher trading volume on the market. So let's say that in this case, I'm valuing my bundle at 0.5 ETH. The next step would be to select the loan duration. So for me, 30 days would be okay. And now the borrow amount will be derived from the actual loan to value ratio. That is derived from the bundle value. And we see that 60% is max. And we believe that this is a good number because it also disincentivizes the borrower to not pay the loan. And also regarding the bundle value, because the platform, it's a marketplace-based system, we also believe that the market will not provide liquidity to borrowers that actually overvalue their loan package. So let's say that for me, in this case, it's okay if I borrow 0.25 ETH and I keep the loan to value ratio at 50. If I hit next, I can see like the selected assets from this borrow package. I can also view them on OpenSea again if I want to do that. And here on the term sheet, I see again the bundle value, borrow amount, and loan to value ratio. And I also see some additional information that will help me throughout the entire loan process. So total repayment amount, which is the actual borrow amount plus APR, the amount per installments, number of installments, of course, the APR, and the installments period. If I look down, I also see loan health with loan risk. So the loan risk is derived from the loan to value ratio. So if I go with max, the loan risk will be max. If I go lower with the LTV, I will also see a lower loan risk. But let's say that for me it's okay 50. And if I'm okay with all these terms, I can proceed with the loan. And what will happen next? The actual assets that I have selected as collateral will be locked in a smart contract, and the actual borrow package will be visible on the lend section. So if I don't receive a loan, I can get my collateral back at any time. But if someone gives me a loan, I can only get the assets back that were locked only if I fully repay the actual loan amount. So here we can see all the borrow packages from all the borrowers. So we can see individual ones, and we can also see bundles. So for bundles, we can check each specific asset. We can also see the asset value, loan amount, loan profit, LTV, duration, and the number of installments. And we also have some asset information. And here we will basically see the trading history. If there is some trading history to that specific asset, we can also see some information about the loan and some global information about the specific gain. And if everything is okay for me as a liquidity provider, I can offer the loan. And of course, the loan package will be active, and the repayment will begin from the borrower's side. On the left sidebar, we also have some filters. We can filter by asset value, loan profit, and loan duration. We can also filter by collections, and we also have some fast filters over here. And on the loan book section, we will see all the given and taken loans for this specific user. Regarding the liquidation practice, the big difference between what we are building and the actual conventional lending platforms that we can see in the crypto space is that on a regular lending platform, liquidation happens only when, of course, the borrower doesn't repay the loan, or when the LTV ratio increases because the actual price of the asset is dropping. In our case, we will not measure, at least at the beginning, the actual price fluctuations of the specific asset or the price fluctuations of the entire bundle. So we will only take into considerations the actual terms that were agreed by the borrower at the beginning. So if the borrower will not repay back the loan, the actual lender will have the option to call the loan and take the collateral in his custody. So we can see this on the loan book section. So here on loan offers, we can see all the loans that we have offered to other borrowers. So here, if we expand this session, we can see the activity of the actual borrower. So in the case that he doesn't repay the loan, there will be a button to call the loan visible on the loan offers. So the lender will be able to pay the gas and take all the assets in his custody. We can also see payment date, installment plus APR, penalties, and total due. On the overview section, we can see the actual asset and the term sheet, and here loan amount, repayment amount, installments, and time left. On the borrow offers section, we actually see the loans that we have taken. And another important aspect that we have to keep in mind is the fact that there will be only one user category. So one specific user will be able to give loans and take loans in the same time, and all the activity will be visible on the loan book section. So here we see the loans that we have taken as borrowers. So we can see here all the installments, and we have the option to pay each installment, to make the payment, or we can pay the entire loan. An active status means that we actually received a loan from a lender, and pending status means that the loan package is on the lend section, but we haven't actually received the loan amount. So this is it, guys. I hope that you liked our product. We are planning on making future videos and getting into and taking like a deep dive into each section of our product. And we also want to discuss about other components of our project, like liquidity mining and governance. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, on Discord, and on Telegram. And thank you so much for watching.